Before starting this video, let's make a bet. If you prove my strategy doesn't work, I owe you $1 million.
Nice.
And if I am right, you like this video and subscribe.
I'd make that deal.
I don't blame you. Damn good deal.
Ready? Let's go. Are you tired of growing your YouTube channel one subscriber at a time? Do you spend hours editing videos no one watches? Does it feel familiar and make you sad?
No! God, please, no! No!
What if I told you there's a guaranteed way to make money? You just need a browser and 30 seconds of brutal honesty. Go to YouTube Studio and click Settings. Ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Now be very precise and exactly follow the next step. Delete your channel and move on to earning actual money. Now go to Upwork or Fiverr and search jobs that pay actual money.
What? What the f?
Disappointed with what I just said? Feel deceived? I get it, you had dreams. You wanted to be the next Mr. Beast. Or at least the next Mr. Breadcrumb. But maybe, just maybe, you're the next guy who actually paid rent this month. Stop chasing the algorithm. Start chasing invoices. If this video helped you give up on your pipe dream, be sure to like and subscribe. Because the irony? I still need you to watch this video, so I can make money off you.
Damn!
So please, delete your channel, and help a small sarcastic creator finally go viral.